Welcome back to the channel. I have been washing some cars, trying to change around a little because Lexus ES250 had some problems, issues. Main problem is here. How to get the plastic molding outside here stick on, and I had an idea to take out everything inside the door, and then I had forgotten that the electric window, the front driver's electric window is not working, so I had to check that at the same time. So first I have to do this. I just take off this. Let's see what's inside here. I'm not sure where to put this camera. I have the other camera. I put one camera inside and one out. Because here is some screws and things. I already know, see the top by the handle here, and I have one screw. Not sure that is holding in place. Then I have some more things. Able to get off this plastic things over some screws. There. You can see I've taken out that, now from that and that. Just screw out these ones. I would like to take off the whole piece here. Put them together. Hopefully not making more mess for myself than necessary. Since this car is so very nice, I don't want to mess it up. See if I have some way of putting this, see more closely what I'm doing. On the front window here, I'm not sure if it's the switch who is ruined or there. This looks exactly the same as on Land Cruisers, all the Toyota products, so shouldn't be anything special. So that was not difficult. In my bag here I was thinking I had my plastic opening things. Then I maybe have a screw or something here. So under here it's a screw, and then I think it's a screw there. Should try to here. Loose there, and take off this molding piece on the top, and in here is the screw. Was loose. I should get this piece out. That piece off. See up here. To get those clips off. Sorry, it's a little too difficult. Okay. Now I see. First I have to turn this, slide this. done this in some other before, so I should have remembered. Yeah. Yeah. Now this speaker has come out. There. And there. This is I have to be able to see. If I can see anything here. Because my clips are out of skin. I was hoping to be able to see them here. But they are hidden. They are hidden away. Okay. Then this is not going to help me. Okay, I have to get some tools and pick off the whole thing outside, from the outside, and hopefully some pieces are going to slide. Yeah. Then I have taken off the last pieces of this chrome molding. Oh, it's going to be that way. The big problem here was the clips. Those here clips have been breaking off, and because of that the whole system is just jumping around. So I have to find a way to fix this. So now I have to find out if I just have to glue the whole thing and glue this on, or if I can get some other clips. I have been out checking all the fuses on this place. Everything is okay. I also checked the main fuses here because I have the problem with the main driver's side window that's not coming up and down, and the washer fluid is not coming up, so I have to check. I put in washer fluid yesterday and it was not working. have to be looking for more fuses. Could be under here somewhere. So have to see. Like this. I see I could have taken it out without up here. It's a fuse box. It looks to be okay. Ten amps looks to be okay. Without finding anything there. I just put it like this. And screw back this screw. Yeah. Then inside again. I have to see if I can find some place on the net that tells me how to check this connectors inside here, to check if this one is ruined or if maybe the engine will go take the window up and down. Then I have this serious problem with the clips. All my clips over here is just, even if I was trying to take the last one off, very slowly and easy, and just break off. So now I have to see, since I haven't been able to see this, to buy clips like this, I have to see if I can, if I have to glue it or if I can make some clips. This is the driver's door on the ES. So I have to see.